Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say Houthis refers to a Yemeni armed political and religious group officially known as Ansar Allah. Originating from the Zaidi Shia sect in northern Yemen, they rose to prominence after capturing Sana'a in 2014. They are supported by Iran and are in conflict with the Saudi-led coalition. Houthis, 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 Houthis. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.